Haven't done a breakfast intro in a while. You're welcome.
Yes, Jesus.
Or my lovelies, how is it? Editing day at the office. It's raining and crappy outside. Priorities. It's my friend's birthday, so I have to blow up their phone. It is my obligation and duty as a friend to do so. That should do the trick, I'd say. I currently feel like an 85-year-old woman. No offense to 85-year-old women. But about 2 days ago, I was on a shoot and I like pulled every muscle in my arms. Like, but the thing is, it wasn't even like a huge camera that I was like carrying around. But I must have just done it wrong if you can do something like that wrong. So now I just kind of live my life like this with sore arms. And the road is just still not there. Pff, I'm not gonna give you the code. Morning.
How are you this morning?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Awesome. Waffle break. No.
Oh, no.
I was talking to the vlog.
Sorry.
Yes, people often think I'm trying to talk to them, but really I'm just talking to you guys. Where'd you get the maple syrup from? It looks really legit.
Yeah, Canon.
Oh, kinda.
I was like the local.
Yeah. Nick was just working on some voiceovers. It took you a while to get that, didn't it?
Yeah.
I could hear you through like my headphones and you're like, no, do
I know. Like, sometimes like I'll see a word, I pronounce it. I don't know. It's just It seems like I never had any kids, so never read out loud to
Yeah.
people.
You're like, is that how I say that? How do you say this?
How often do people read out loud anymore?
Yeah.
For general day-to-day life.
I wonder if this giraffe has a name. I kind of want to name it Leonard. Editing a wedding today, and I need to like remind myself to get up and like move my body, otherwise I'm like, oh, gross. The question is it still rainy? I can't tell. That would be a yes. Okay, no, it's actually like hailing. Hailing? Is that a word? Hailing? There's hail.
Do you like zucchini?
I do. It's like hailing outside.
Yeah, it's like supposed to start.
I'll take that over snow though. For sure.
No, I'll take snow.
Really?
Any day, totally. Do you like Kalamata olives?
Sure.
I know how to say it. They're awesome.
Calamari olives.
Kalamata.
Look at this killer salad. It's so good, Nick. I've never had zucchini on a salad, but now I'm gonna have that more. How many times do you think you've heard this song?
Today?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Let's see. Based off the cuts, at least one, two, three, like 15, 20 at least minimum.
Farewell.
Wait, yeah.
Okay.
Wait is high, right?
Well, it's like,
I am high.
yeah, it's kind of like whatever you want it to be. Or it could be like an exclamation. If you're like, oi, like,
Yeah.
like in Norway, if you like drop something on the ground or like made a mistake, then they'd be like, ah, oi.
Yay, it's snowing.
I don't know if you caught the sarcasm in that, but definitely not happy about this. Still have like construction gear in my car from the shoot the other day. I'll give it back to them at some point. I am on my way to get my back cracked, aka I'm getting an adjustment because my body hates me and I need a new one. But this will have to do.
What is this crap? It's like a freaking blizzard right now.
Like, what the heck? That's not okay. It's April. In other news, good lord.
My every single vertebrae is now in complete alignment and I feel like a new person. So thank you, Cindy Harrington, for that adjustment because boy did I need it. She like adjusted me in like 5 different places and I didn't even know bones could make that sound.
Sometimes I do miss Hawaii. This is a typical sight in Wisconsin. Sure, flowers bloom and then snow comes and just demolishes everything.
Why, thank you.
Hello, Doogie. Hello. You don't like it when I scratch your butt?
Today was really profitable. I got a wedding edited and I'm super grateful to have my body now in alignment, and that was today. Until next time, guys, remember to love it and to love life.